What's the Gaelic for Easter? Ichashk. Ichashk lets us explore Gaelic's relationship to other languages. Most languages don't call Easter anything to do with Easter. In fact, most words go back to the original Hebrew root for Passover, Pesach. In Greek, Pascha, and in Latin, Pascha. In Welsh, that word becomes Pasg. Celtic languages are divided between P Celtic and Q Celtic. P Celtic languages will pronounce the word as task. Q Celtic languages will pronounce that P sound with a K, and also add the article Ichashk, Ichashk, Ichashk. Ichashk literally means the Easter. So kashk is a feminine word, Ichashk, Aum Nikashke, Easter time. Many religious words in Gaelic show their links to Latin and Greek. Eagwish, Beannacht, Engel, Sagast, Fachwan femel ille is een Aum Nikashke, Oerni, Brahag, Eichig, Kezig, Asheri, Kashk Honnegucht.